2026 is a sun. 2026 is a constructive fire. It totals to 10. 10, according to numerology, is a wheel of fortune number. Either you go to the top or you become a zero.
Like you always say, write 24 on your palm. This year also we should keep doing this.
You guys can try 37. All of you who cannot buy sona, you can go for copper.
How is 2026 going to be for number ones?
They have to be very careful of blood-related diseases like diabetes and blood pressure.
One Vastu tip for number ones.
Always keep the east side of your house clutter-free. Ruby is the stone for everybody this year. Number 2, people ruled by the moon should spend some extra time sitting in their northeast corner of their house. After August 15, we are entering our 80th year of independence. Things are not going to be as cool as they are right now for us. There could be tragedies, terror attacks.
One numerological tip for number twos.
4s and 8s say these people have a lot of problems, especially house number.
Car number. What is a lucky car number as per numerology that everyone can use?
Just stick a 24 number, and I always recommend Hanumanji on all vehicles. Everybody keeping that Adi Yoga or in the Shivling. If you want Shivji, keep him with a family picture of Shivji. Try avoiding him in the cars. 1, 3, 5, 6 should be the house numbers. If you're lucky enough to get a flat number 6, very good. Southwest should be the bedroom for the owners. For investments, go to safe government bonds or go for gold.
Astronumerologist Shweta Jumani, one of India's most renowned numerologists, born into the illustrious Jumani family, is back again on the Body to Being podcast. She was trained under her father, the legendary late Bansilal M. Jumani, and continues the family's celebrated legacy alongside her brother Sanjay B. Jumani. The Jumanis have advised some of the country's biggest names, from Ambanis to Shah Rukh Khan, Anushka Sharma, Ajay Devgan, Anil Kapoor and Ekta R. Kapoor, and have been associated with iconic films and franchises such as Padmavat, Dabang, Chennai Express, and the recent titles like Saiyara and Tere Ishq Mein. What is the best sector to invest next year? Two love stories also did very well, Tere Ishq Mein and Saiyara.
And guess unke piche kaun tha?
Any purse or wallet tips that you can give?
Never have a green or a black purse.
This 2026, what mantra would you recommend?
This year, listen to any of the Surya mantras, especially the Gayatri mantra. जो new आप company launch करोगे or you're going to keep your baby's name, avoid alphabets starting with P, F, M, T, D. For number 7 is going to be a very good. थोड़ा exercise and meditation. Both are very important. They overthink a lot. Lot of money is coming your way, number 8s. The maximum people who are duped or fooled are number 8s by the people around them. Always your kitchen should be in the southeast corner. Never have a toilet on the north and east. Married couple should not sleep in the northeast corner of the house. उनको बच्चा होने से तकलीफ होती है.
What flat numbers to totally avoid?
4, 8 and 9.
If someone has an unlucky date of birth and they want to change the name, what is the solution? Parents who don't know in which career to put their children.
1 numbers ultimately will do business. 1, 3, 5 and 6. These are out and out born businessmen.
A respected media voice featured on platforms like the BBC Asia Network, Shweta ji blends deep intuitive insight with decades of practice, advising everyone from celebrities and industrialists to everyday people seeking clarity and direction. As the Jumanis celebrate 25 glorious years, we are delighted to welcome Shweta Jumani back on the Body to Being podcast.
Dhurandhar 2 will do much better than this. I want to place my money on Ramayan. Ranbir Kapoor is a number 1 and this year is number 1 and Ramayan is going to make a lot of money.
Namaskaram, Miss Shweta Jumani, या फिर मुझे बोलना चाहिए Surya Namaskaram.
Surya Namaskaram, yeah.
Because as you were mentioning, we are entering into the sun's year. So सबसे पहले I want to ask you 2 questions. One is, how does it feel to see most of your predictions prove accurate for last year?
So when I start, I'm not a very modest person and I'm very proud of what we do. अच्छा, Harmanpreet Kaur देखो आप. She has been working hard only, na? But suddenly, India gets its first ever Women's Cricket Cup just by her changing her jersey number from 7 to 23. Amol Mazumdar contacted my brother too. And like it's so great. So last year, no doubt, not proud of our fires. Abhi tak it's happening, as you know. 2 days back also it happened in Surat. So I'm not proud of the accidents and fire things, but yes, I am proud about the silver prediction. Silver has doubled what it was at the beginning of the year. I'm proud of the gold, 63% it has increased. I'm proud of the defense stocks. Nobody on earth talks about defense stocks. We said it'll see a boom, and only defense stocks went up. Rest of the stocks went down, as you know.
So I'd like to know how 2026 numerologically would look like. One is for every person with each number. So we can start with number ones and we can go right up to number nine. And then we'd like to know how 2026 is going to be for India and the world at large, not just 2026, but also the years ahead. Because as they say that we're entering into a new phase of life, we're entering the age of Aquarius. So huge shifts happening all over the world. How is 2026 going to be for everything?
So first, let me go back to 2025, which totals to 9. 9, after 9, everything is ending, and again 1 starts. So in a way, it is a new era. It is a new decade, not in the technical way, but 1 to 9 numbers will start again. Now, last year was Mars, which is fire. And in my last year prediction, I had said M for Mars, W for wars. So it was rampant. Now this year again is fire. So numbers 1 to 9, number 1, 2026 is a sun, ruled by sun. Sun is also fire, Mars is also fire, but one is a destructive fire, one is a constructive fire. So 2026 is a constructive fire, because without wars to chal sakta hai, but without the sun we can't live a single day. So the sun, no doubt 2026 is going to be a good year, but at the same time it totals to 10. 10, according to numerology, is a wheel of fortune number. Kabhi idhar, kabhi udhar, because it has got 1 and 0. So either you go to the top or you become a 0. Depends on how you're taking your things, how you're living your life. If you know Pele and Sachin Tendulkar, they wore 10 all their lives and see where they are. But other guys who came after them are not doing that good. So you have to, if you are wanting to be good this year, you have to work hard like Sachin and Pele. Just because it's a number 1 year, you cannot lie down. No doubt the sun will give you many good things which it did not give you last year. What things could not happen last year, yes, I'll say it will start. But you have to work hard. You have to keep your focus. You have to wake up early like the sun. Get to work and do your best. Then this number this year can give you abundance. Because you know, finally, number 1 is Indira Gandhi, Ratan Tata, Dhirubhai Ambani, Mukesh Ambani, Neeta Ambani,
Prithvi Ambani.
Prithvi Ambani. वो तो intentional था, but these 3 were naturals.
Intentional tha.
Of course, everybody is intentional, whether it is Ranbir and Alia's baby Raha is a planned one. 6th November cannot be a coincidence. Alia, because so many reels we have seen, she believes in numerology, she knows her lucky numbers. In fact, Ramayana is releasing, I heard, as of now on 6th of November. So you have to look out for Ranbir Kapoor this year, all you guys. He's a number 1. Ramayana is going to do good. It's happening right from Karan Johar's baby, you know that?
No.
Karan Johar's babies are born on 7 because he's a 7. Katrina Kaif married Vicky Kaushal because he's a 7 and she's a 7. And they had a baby on the 7th. इतना बड़ा 3 सत्तियां तो coincidence नहीं हो सकता है. Then Virat and Anushka babies are also planned according to lucky date of births. Then we have Kiara and Siddharth, who had a baby on the 15th. Atya Shetty and KL Rahul had their baby on the 6th. So it's all over the news. They are using numerology, and we should also use wherever possible, because if God has taken science so far, we should avoid waiting for a natural baby. If you can choose a lucky number 1, 3, 5 or 6, and doctor says कि हाँ cesarean ही करना पड़ेगा, then nothing like it. You have to choose when to have a baby. I also planned Libra grandchildren, but God above showed me, He gave me babies in Leo period. So they were premature babies. So God said, Shweta, you're only Shweta Jumani. Baap main hu. So this year is going to be like a pendulum. Is par ya us par.
Since we're talking about colors, you recommend always wearing blue. Which is the color for 2026?
See, 2026 is number 1, sun. Abhi sun is yellow, orange, gold, copper, blue sky. तो है तो वही ना, blue तो है ही. But the main colors for this year are lots of yellows, orange, blues and copper. Abhi copper की याद आ गई. We said copper will, who talks about copper?
Yeah.
So we were the ones who said copper will rise, and within 2 weeks it rose to 20%. And now it has increased more, and more people know that they have to buy copper. So thanks to us, people are going to hoard it, and then the prices are going to go up because so many people have already started buying a copper, like they bought gold and silver at our behest. Thousands of people have become multimillionaires just by investing where we say.
Acha, so this year we should buy copper more than
Who
we buy
cannot?
gold and silver.
Copper will become the new gold. But if you can afford gold, gold is always a safer bet. If you're looking for short term gains, go for copper. But my all time favorite is gold.
How do we write 2026? Because some people write 2026 as the complete, as the complete name, or they just write apostrophe 26.
Write 2026 and not 26 only. Because 26 alone is the date when there was a tsunami, when the Kasab came into our country. Horrible date. So write 2026.
People are really looking forward for their personal numerological predictions. So let's start with number 1 and 2. How is 2026 going to be for number ones?
So, all those who are born on 1, 10, 19, 28, also all those who are Leos, they are ruled by the sun. You are a number one, and the year is also number one. So, but naturally, it has to be the best for you. But one thing about number ones are they're too lazy, some of them. Other of them are the Ambanis and the Indira Gandhis and the Ratan Tatas. But some of number ones are quite lazy. If they come out of their laziness, this is the best year to do all that they want to do. They may start their own business, they may get married, they should wear light colors, wake up early in the morning, which is a bit tough for number one people. But if they start doing these things, it's going to be an amazing year for them. So wake up early, wear lots of the Surya colors like yellow, orange. One is a number of arrogance, loneliness. No doubt it is powerful. Without light तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. They have to be very careful of blood related diseases like diabetes and blood pressure. ये mostly number ones को होता ही है. This year is hot, so they get hyper, they get stressed out very easily because they want to do things their way. तो उसमें थोड़ी तकलीफ आ सकती है. So they have to be careful of blood related diseases. Most number ones want to be Ambanis. I'm telling you, so many number ones come to me. They are बचपन का सपना only, even before the Ambanis were on earth. They are number ones का सपना होता है, I want to be the richest person on earth. So they have very big dreams. For that, you have to wake up early in the morning and go to work. Self-employed is the best thing for a number one, especially if he is disciplined, wakes up early. Then ये one number का साल will become a सोने पे सुहागा year for them.
Okay. So for number ones, the professions or the compatible careers would be businesses,
Mostly businesses or any job in which they are the boss.
leadership roles.
Leadership. If they are in the film industry, they want to be the director.
Okay.
If they are in any company, they want to reach the CEO position. So when they are in chota mota jobs, they are not very happy. So they have to be independent.
Any fields which they are.
Government fields are very good for them. Manufacturing fields are very good for them. Solar fields, anything to do with hot is very good for them. Sanjeev Kapoor is a number one. He's born on the 19th and he's near the fire all day, and see where he has reached and where he has taken food to. So number one's always surrounded with fire. They should be independent. See, he's a boss, na? Sanjeev Kapoor is there doing what he wants to do. So he's reached the top. Ratan Tata was the boss. Mukesh ji is the boss. Now, Mrs. Ambani is the boss with a different department. They don't interfere in each other's
Yeah.
businesses. So everybody wants their independence, and number one should be independent. थोड़ा time लगता है. Sometimes it becomes 37, 38, 40. You don't realize what you want to do in life. But then one day finally it comes. If you want it quicker, you have to be Jumanified.
Okay. Next year, should number ones be getting either married or having children or basically be making major decisions?
चिल्ड्रन के लिए तो सबके लिए बता दूंगी. Any of you planning a baby should start right now so that by end of next year, end of 2026, the baby is here. I would like babies to come on earth in 2026. Of course 2027 में भी बहुत बच्चे पैदा होंगे. I'm not saying उस साल नहीं होंगे, but आप dilly dallying कर रहे हो तो this is a better year.
Okay, so I'm assuming all the babies who will be born in 2026 will also have leadership skills.
Yes, that is the reason I'm wanting them to come out in the year that is 1 instead of 2, which is not bad. I'm a number 2. वो भी अच्छा साल है. But see, we consider sun as the father, moon as the mother. So feminine qualities वहाँ पर हैं, यहाँ पर fatherly qualities हैं, domination है, protection है. These things are also there. Relationship wise, this can be a much better year than other years. इनको प्रॉब्लम आती ही है बिकॉज ऑफ देयर ईगो. दे आर वेरी सेंसिटिव. ऐसे दिखता है तो गरम गरम है ना सन. सो एंड इज अलोन इन द स्काई. See, if we can call the sun the heart. The whole solar system, all the planets are rotating specifically, like a clock ka precision, the planets are rotating around the sun. So you can understand the power of the sun. But what happens with this power when you apply it at home and your family members? फिर गड़बड़ होती है. So make sure that you're not applying it with family members. घर पे आके you have to become a meek person. Use it in your office. Only then you can reach those heights. Na? If you use it in your office, all your ambitions and they're very smart, they've got very good ideas, business ideas, सब कुछ अच्छा है number one के साथ. बस घर में if they don't apply all those things, na, they'll have a better life.
One Vastu tip for number ones.
Always keep the east side of your house clutter free. And that everybody doesn't have an east window. So on the eastern wall, you can keep a sun without a mustache. You must have seen those hangings, na? Some suns have got a mustache. Don't keep that. Just keep a normal, full rising sun of metal, or even you get earthen ones, or any rising sun. You can have a painting also of a full, lovely rising sun. Keep it on the eastern wall. Since the year is of the sun, these guys are as it is arrogant, number ones. So they have to be very careful of their anger so that the relations don't get spoiled.
Lucky gems.
Lucky gem for them is a ruby, a red color. Ruby is very good for them. It brings harmony in married couples. It brings harmony with your colleagues at office, at work. Ruby is the stone even for everybody this year.
Okay.
All numbers can try. See, Pathar is a Pathar. No, even we see God in Pathar. So suddenly we see a Pathar and we start believing that God. So all gems are also coming from Mother Earth. Any gem, anybody can wear. Provided you keep it with you for 15-20 days, see the vibes, how it is suiting you. Anybody can wear anything.
Okay. Like you always say, write 24 on your palm. This year also we should keep doing this.
My evergreen is 24. I will write it all life because I have experienced 37 and other numbers. But you guys who are born on dates making 1, 2, 4, or 7 should try to write either 19, 37, or 46. It's up to you, whatever suits you.
But 37 is luckier than 46, no?
No, all these three are quite on the same platform. But this should be written in either blue or purple. I like to use a purple pen.
Okay. You should never use a red pen.
No red, no green. Green is unstable. Greenery is not the same, no, everywhere. Every day the leaves change.
Black?
Black though is a total out. It's a mourning ka color, death ka color. Ye to out of question hai.
Okay. Some numerological Vastu remedies for the following. If I am facing money blocks and I want to remove those, what is that one numero Vastu tip that you can give me?
About money, I have learned one thing from childhood. जितना आता है खत्म हो जाता है. So don't run after money. Because Lakshmi ji herself, you will see in the coins also, it's very difficult to find her sitting. She's always standing. She's always wanting to move. So don't try to control Lakshmi. Spend, spend, spend. That is my way of life. I have used it for myself. I tell everybody, the more you think of savings, the more poor you become. Because today the 100 rupees you're saving, tomorrow it doesn't have a value of 10 bucks also. So the 100 rupees का आज ले लो जो तुम्हारे पास है जो चाहिए वो ले लो. Live your life king size. Don't try to control money. And if you're Jumanified, money will come every day.
For marital relationships.
For marital relationships, always have a 24 number in the south wall of your bedroom. Your curtains, chadar, all these things, make it blue and white. Always have your married photo, shadi ke din ka photo, or a happy couple photo in your bedroom. And the best marital advice is speak less.
Okay. For health, bettering one's health, physical and mental health.
I believe the physical health also is all the accumulation of your mental thoughts. So keeping your mind clean is what works for me, though I may look overweight or unhealthy to some people, but I think I'm very healthy. So being healthy and fat is better than being thin and sick. So there is a lot of variation in what people think as thin or healthy. So have a very clear conscience, sleep well, eat well, and once you have a clean mind, you will really have a very beautiful physical health. Okay, some more numero vastu tips I'll give you. Sleep with your head in the south, feet in the north. Always your kitchen should be in the southeast corner of your house. Once the arg is in the proper place, things really work out well. Never have a toilet on the north and east. That area toilets really cause havoc. Make sure your house colors are all, pastel shades, not too many dark colors. Absolutely don't use reds and blacks. I've seen so many people who have, beach mein bahut tha, black bedrooms. Now it has reduced. So black bedrooms and red walls and all these things don't have. Have very pastel, beautiful shades around yourself. Wake up in the morning, play some good God ka mantra. That's what we know. Our oldies used to do early morning. भगवान का वाइब्रेशंस के साथ शुरू करो. इट्स वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इफ यू हैव अ ईस्टर्न वॉल खिड़की, please allow as much sunlight as it can come into your house. So also if it is a western one, it's too hot in the west side, but allow the sunlight to come inside your house because it kills away the germs, it takes away the negativities. Do little puja part. I am myself not a very puja part kind of a person, but कुछ कुछ कभी कभी करते रहो. साल में we should have one yagya, because that fumes, they go and kill the negativity in the house.
Okay. And also help build immunity because so many microbes get
Yes.
killed.
So many things happen because of one yagya. And if nothing else happens, then at least the Panditji's ke ghar mein kuch jata hai, as my mother-in-law used to say. So we should keep on doing, because that community has to flourish. If the Pandits and these people are not there, then that spirituality will get over. So they also need money. So if nothing else, do it for them. A newly married or a young married couple should not sleep in the northeast corner of the house. उनको बच्चा होने से तकलीफ होती है. Also, जो लोग 4s and 8s हैं, they also have problem conceiving. If the mother is 4 or father is 4, थोड़ा delay हो जाता है. So a few tips for childless couples. 24 on your bedroom, blue and white bed sheets. Navel के नीचे the woman should write 24 every day. Wear a big size emerald. Big size, 6, 7, 8 carats the lady should wear. This will help them. Khajrana Ganpati is there in Indore. So just Google, tell him, let me have a baby. I'll bring the baby to you for darshan. So many couples have got it. As recently you must have seen the video on my page also. Many childless couples, even in their 40s, they have conceived with a good Jumanified spelling and some of these tips which we share.
Coming to your number, how will 2026 be for number twos?
It has to be great because, as I told you, 1 is the father, 2 is the mother. They are complementary to each other, 1 and 2. People think the sun is in the morning and moon is in the night. That means not good. So all those who are born on a 2, 11, 20, 29th or Cancerians are going to have a field year. 1 is one of their best numbers.
Acha.
Career-wise, they will boom. Health-wise, they can have an amazing year. They can come out of their laziness and they can, be more physically fit this year. They will be taking more interest in, getting physically fit because energy ka saal hai, anger ka saal hai. If they are in occult or entertainment industries or some places where they are a teacher or a chef or something,
Healthcare professional?
yes, that is also very good. But the people who are in businesses which interest them, they love it. See, there's a person who only goes to work and there's a person who loves what he's doing. There's a difference. So if they are in a profession they enjoy thoroughly, they can really have 2 lovely years because iske baad bhi their number is coming 2027. Travel, these guys are going to do. Marriages ke liye, it's the right time for them. They should start looking for a partner and wind up all your important assignments in this year. 2 numbers generally relations mein they are very good. They know how to handle people. Even tu main ho jati hai, so they know how to cover up and say sorry and finish the matter. So relationship mein very less time aise hota hai ki they are totally against somebody. So they are good at handling their relationships. People who are in hardcore business, they should take somebody as their partner. Number 2 people are not very good in hardcore business. So Shah Rukh Khan owns KKR but not alone. He owns Red Chilies but Gauri Khan is the boss. So number 2 people are good at many things but which they like, which they understand and they do business regarding that. Then too they should not do in self-name. Always have a 1, 3, 5, 6 as your partner. It will help.
Acha.
Number 2 people should wear light colors like the one you are wearing today because the moon colors, though the moon has tremendous shades, but blue, white, silver, cream, these are their colors for them. They should wear a cat's eye. Pearl hota hai, but pearl mein I have seen many people, they go very depressed. So I recommend a cat's eye stone. This is the cat's eye which I am also wearing. Very good for a number 2. Fours and eights say these people have a lot of problems, especially house number, mobile number. I'm not talking about family members. I keep repeating when you all tell me that you're always talking against eight. No, I'm talking about eight number house. I'm talking about eight number mobile number, car number. Number twos ke liye it is worse than it is for any other number. So be very careful about living in house number eights and fours or having your mobile numbers totaling to eight and four. Change it immediately. But if your husband, wife, children are of those dates, you cannot change because all that is given to you by God. And all humans are different than a flat number. Naturally, a flat can be changed. You cannot change your own mother or your father. All number twos who are planning to get married, have a baby, buy a house, this is the right time.
Coming to a generic prediction, how is 2026 going to be for India?
First, let me tell you, last year, 2025, which was number 9, the world went through hell. Even we did. We saw war. We saw India-Pakistan war. We had so many calamities, natural, unnatural, shootings, firings, and so many plane crashes. But somehow we managed. Somehow we managed. Now, this coming year, till August 15th, is going to be all okay. After August 15th, we are entering our 80th year of independence. So I don't want to say bad things because they come true. So I would just tell you, be little alert. After August, things are not going to be as cool as they are right now for us. There could be tragedies, terror attacks, bad things happening to our country. But then again, 81st year is going to be all beautiful because that is number 9, which is going to be good for us. Now, India is totaling to number 3 and Bharat is totaling to number 6. So, 81st year is again the world will look up to us.
Acha. You accurately predicted the coronavirus and you had said that the warning signs would come from China. And so it did. You also preempted the Trump tariff. So, on the international stage, what are we going to be seeing in 2026?
A lot of ego between the rulers. Every country head is going to be with his head in the sky. So, last year we said there could be war and there became war. We also said that war pe aate aate baat ruk jayegi. So, thankfully, jaldi se ruk gayi. This year, I'm saying a lot of ego clashes between nations. Some nations you will see, oh my God, they are hand in glove, they have become best friends. अब तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा, and somebody will slip out. They may not keep their word.
Are you indicating towards China or
All,
Russia?
all. I'm indicating to all the top leaders because arrogance is going to be on the rise. So please, like last year I had told you all, अपने देश के बारे में सोचो. Now I'm telling all world leaders the same thing again. Do not bring your personal issues where the world is concerned. You all are 8 billion people are under your 4 5 people ruling the world, you know. It's like that only, na? So 8 billion people, you have to think about them, not about your personal egos.
Namaskaram, I'm Shloka. We've spent a lot of time in developing this product, which is the authentic A2 Gir Cow Ghee by the brand name Yogic Organic. We've spent several years to bring this product to you. My endeavor was to bring to you the real goodness of authentic A2 Gir Cow Ghee, and here it is. Pre-orders are now open. To order, just call or WhatsApp on +91 8493 863427. Please give us some political predictions with respect to India and the world.
Politically, many countries will see upheaval. India is going to be as it is. And Mr. Narendra Modi is going to enter his 77th year next year after his birthday. So it is going to be a luckier year for him. Though I told you we will be entering our 80th year, not so good for India, but Mr. Modi will be in one of his lucky years. So I hope that little things I said could go wrong. You know, dip in the economy, little terrorism, those things could happen after August. Modi ji's lucky year can maybe save us from that. Rahul Gandhi, you need to be Jumanified. Please add an extra A in your Rahul. Then your name will come on a better number so that, you can get what you want. Rahul Gandhi is a number 1, 19th of June. So he's a number 1, yet he's also a Gemini. So things are there good for him. Timing kharab hota hai. So I think the moment he starts writing Rahul with a double A and Gandhi there, things will brighten up for him.
Okay.
Not in 2026 because one number is always slow. But he will perform better than he has been performing all these years because he's a number one. This year is a number one. So you can see him, at least see him around. You will be seeing him, you will be seeing more of him. India and China have always been, hide and seek type of things. So this year also it is going to be hide and seek type of things.
Because we are warming up to China as we speak. You think 2026 is a good year to continue warming up to China or no?
As I said, last moment what happens, nobody knows. Unfortunately, Mr. Trump, good time not there for the next few years, a couple of years maximum, but he's a number 5 Gemini. So he can come out of anything and, again get that king's crown back, which America was holding from so many years. But yes, for the next 1.5 years, not very easy for him.
So you said last year that silver would do very well. You're
It
saying
doubled. It doubled.
It doubled. And 2026 is going to be all about
Gold.
the gold and the
And
copper.
copper.
What jewelry can we wear on ourselves? Should we wear more of gold?
Everybody should wear gold. Everybody should wear a piece of gold, though it is so small. I also wear only a little bit, but you should wear gold because you have jewelry, you're keeping it in your cupboard. Venus attracts Venus, no? Good things will attract good things. You buy good clothes and you keep them in your cupboard. You buy good jewelry and you keep them in your cupboard. Never do that. Everything is now. Aaj mein jiyo, enjoy life, wear a bit of gold so more gold comes. Keep buying gold. Now, there are a couple of things I want to just tell everybody, every number, and especially youngsters. My personal experience. Keep buying gold every month. I did not do it. I'm repenting. Keep climbing the steps. I stopped doing that. I'm repenting. So these two things, as long as you're young, don't take the lift and keep buying gold. Even if it is 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees, buy a small rai ke size ka gold. But buy with all your savings, buy gold.
Every month, huh?
Yeah, from your savings. Every month I'm saying because people who are in jobs, so every
Correct.
month ke savings say buy gold.
Let's come to number threes and number fours. How will 2026 be for number three?
Number 3 is Jupiter, and all guys who are born on 3, 12, 21, or 30 are number 3. Also, all those who are born as Pisces and Sagittarians, they are all called number 3s. Now, if you see the Jupiter planet, it is yellowish. So, again, very good relation with Sun, especially for money. So this is a very good year for number 3s. They get awards and rewards, name and fame, recognition. They thrive on recognition. They thrive on praise. They cannot take criticism. And they're going to get all these things this year. And I never tell any number 3 work hard because they work the hardest. So I tell other
Like your
number.
brother.
Yeah, not only, yeah, of course, my brother, though,
Yeah.
if it wasn't for him, then numerology wouldn't have really reached here only on my father and my shoulders. Of course, he is very important. But then you see Warren Buffet, you see Rajnikant, Thalaiva. There are so many number 3s you'll see all around, see in your family. But yes, there are a couple of them who are totally unlucky. They could be because of your Vastu problem. They could be because of your, destiny number. So many other things. House number, house ka Vastu problem. There are few number 3s who don't do so well in life. But most of them do well. So this is a very good year for you. Getting a lot of good things coming your way. कि शादी करनी है अभी कर लो. Planning babies, so I told you in the beginning of the show, this is the right time to have babies. Shift into your new houses on lucky dates. Looking at the Amavas. House shifting also has very important. So you have to see according to Vastu everything. The date is right. The Shukla Paksh is there or no. So many things have to be considered. So everybody should this year try to do all these things. Properties banengi number 3 ke logon ki.
Okay. Since you're talking about house shifting, can you give us some house shifting Vastu numerological tips?
First of all, always buy a house that totals to 1, 3, 5 or 6. Now, this is for guys who are looking for a house. All of you who are living in other house numbers can just paste a 24 on your door. So, let me finish this, that for 1, 3, 5, 6 should be the house numbers. Of course, my favorite is 6, but 10 numbers ke baad 1, 6 comes. So, if you're lucky enough to get a flat number 6, very good. Make sure the Vastu is very good. Couple of things I'm telling you. Northeast, never have a loo over there. If you have a toilet that side, it's really bad. So do something about it, change it. Sleep with your head south, feet north. Southwest should be the bedroom for the elderly. So parents are the living in the house or it is you, southwest should belong to the master bedroom. There are many other things, chota mota, we do vastu also. And enter in Shukla Paksh. Many a times, I don't know, Panditjis do give Krishna Paksh ka dates also, but personally, I don't like that. In Shukla Paksh, the moon is in the increasing order. So that time when you enter a house, everything beautiful increases. We are entering a house for happiness, more money, peace of mind. So and try to enter in a Shukla Paksh time on dates making 1 or 6. Again, here 5, I will not say, it's dicey.
Acha.
Yeah.
One Vastu tip for number 3.
This is not a Vastu tip, but these guys and every person should actually do it. But 3s and 1s के लिए खास करके, if you have elder parents at home, please touch their feet. Number 1 और number 3 कभी किसी के सामने झुकता नहीं, मगर मम्मी डैडी के सामने झुको. I touch my daughter's feet. I touch my grandchildren's feet. Daughter is Kanja Kulne, na, Lakshmi. I touched my grandchildren's feet because I don't have an elder at home. My husband is also younger than me.
Like me.
Yeah, good. So whenever I meet my mother, I touch her feet. But you guys, झुकना वहाँ से सीखो. बाकी किसी के सामने 1 and 3 वाले झुकते नहीं हैं, तो घर के elders के सामने ज़रूर झुकिए. The lucky color for number 3 are yellow, white, पर्पल. ब्लू तो एवरग्रीन है, सबके लिए बोलती ही हूँ. जेमस्टोन फॉर देम इज सपोज टू बी अ येलो सफायर, बट माई फेवरेट जेमस्टोन फॉर अ नंबर 3 इज एन एमेथिस्ट. ऑल्सो नंबर 8 को मैं हाईली रिकमेंड करती हूँ, एमेथिस्ट पहनना चाहिए.
Now for the predictions of number 4s.
All those born on 4, 13, 22 or 31st are ruled by Uranus. Now, you must have heard me talk a lot about 4s. 4s and 8s, इनकी लाइफ थोड़ी स्लो हो जाती है. They work very hard, but it takes time for them to reach there. But this year is very good for number 4s because 1 and 4 are identical. We never write 1 without a 4. We never write 4 without a 1.
Acha.
और आप में से कई लोग होंगे, यू हैव टू राइट इन द कमेंट्स, हाँ, आप में से जितने नंबर 1s हैं, आपके लाइफ में कोई ना कोई 4 होगा. एंड आप अगर नंबर 4 हो, यू विल हैव अ मदर, सिस्टर, चाइल्ड, समबडी ऑफ नंबर 1. सो दे आर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर. प्लीज राइट इन कमेंट्स. So it's going to be an amazing year for number 4 people. They will be like a spotlight. They will shine. They will make all their dreams come true. They will get everything that they have been yearning from. Past 2-3 years have been tough for the whole world. But 4s and 8s के लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा tough रहा है. So this year you will get everything you want. Please wear your lucky colors, yellow, orange, white and blue. Gomed is your stone. Wear that always. It will help you. Keep a 24 number in your pocket. Or as I said, you can try 19, 37 or 46 as well. And this year, don't aim for perfection. This year, just get your work done. ये लोग perfection के चक्कर में ना slow हो जाते हैं. So this year, just, it's only 365 days. तो तुमको जो करना है जल्दी जल्दी करो. Though next year also is going to be good for them.
2027.
Yes.
Okay.
So number 4s, generally I talk bad about you guys, लेकिन ये साल मैं आपके लिए अच्छा कह रही हूँ. So go and do all the good right stuff. Don't look out for perfection. Go and just do it. आपके लिए ये साल नाइके की byline है, just do it. Do all your things on dates making 1, 2, 6 and 7. More on 1 and 6. Use these dates for max things. Use your lucky numbers as 1 and 6. 2 and 7 भी अच्छा है. This is a good year if you're planning a baby or getting married or planning anything new. This is a good year. Never do any business alone on your name. आपकी wife number 1 हो सकती है, your parents, children, anyone around you who is born on 1, 3, 5, 6. Please take them as a partner because this year even you will have the urge to go into self-employment.
Okay. But is business or service better for number 4s?
Now, government services are very good for number 4s and 8s. But in private, they are very uncomfortable. Government mein what happens, come what may, you get your salary on the due date. In private sectors, they are very uneasy. Very hardworking. They are the most hardworking. But the cream is taken away by somebody else. So they face a lot of hurdles, then you feel dejected. तो ऐसे लगता है, I also personally feel, I have never worked for anybody. So छोटा मोटा अपना काम करो, लेकिन अपना करो. Especially for number 4s, I would say.
Like when I had consulted Jumani ji for my spelling initially, he had said that number 5 and number 5 is communications and business and leadership. And at that point, I was doing something completely different. And slowly, of course, I've done a lot of things in my life, just
Of
like a
course,
number
just
5.
like a five.
I do something, get bored of it, then do something else. But yeah, communications has worked. We're 1.5 years old, and we have done, with the grace of Almighty, we've done well. So, for parents who don't know in which career to put their children into, numerologically speaking, which careers would be compatible with which numbers?
Yeah, that's a very good question, and I love talking about it because the sooner you know what your child is good at, the better it is for you and the child. Like my father saw numerology in me in childhood, and he literally told me, "You are better than me." And I said, "Oh, that's your father's love. How can I be better than you? I'm to learning from you." So he said, "Kabhi kabhi chela guru se aage nikal jata hai." This is the compliment he gave me even before I was a numerologist by profession. So I knew, okay, I love this and I'm doing this. Same I did with my daughter, who's a number 2 and a Scorpio physical, so I put her in dance. So I will tell you from 1 to 9. 1 numbers ultimately will do business. But can we make them do business at the age of 4, 5, 6? No. But we can make them do sports. We can take them to our shop. Now, this is one thing to all Punjabi, Sindhi, Gujarati, and Marwadi parents. All business families, please teach your children what is going on. Bade hoke, let them study, let them become engineer, let them become doctor, but they should know inside out of what business my parents are doing. This is where we are all going wrong, pushing them only towards studies. They have to know what is going on. So, 1 number will be very good in business. So, if he's already in a business family, by the age of 10, 12, they should take him to work, along with his studies, of course. Put him in sports. Number 1, very good in sports. Make them watch business movies, make them learn business. And business you learn on every day, you can learn business. You don't have to go to a business school.
Correct.
1, 3, 5, and 6. These are out and out born businessmen. But as I said, we cannot start at bachpan, na, their business. So we should put children in all classes available near you, whether it is singing, painting, music. By the time your child is 10 to 12 years old, you will know, okay, this is what he does good. Then polish that particular thing. 2, 7, and 6, very creative. 3, very good in entertainment business. Though they are money makers, though they are money minded, but you should put a 3 number also in all kinds of sports, all kinds of drama. 5, again, all kinds of sports, all kind of drama. 2 and 7, they will be in sports, but more the sitting and drawing and painting and flute and tabla types. They can sit and
Writing.
do writing. Yes, number 9s are very good in writing. So your number 9 child should do physical activity and write and do tabla. Unfortunately, we lost Zakir Hussain Saab at number 9. बैठने का काम था, but how much energy? So all energetic work 3, 6 and 9 can do. Now see, everywhere I have spoken about 6. They're amazing in sports, they're amazing in arts, they're amazing in business. They can do practically everything. That's why, so I recommend putting them in all kinds of sports and drama, what is available, and then finally knowing after a few years what they will really do.
Some numerology nuskas that everyone can follow for 2026 and the years beyond that. Car number. What is a lucky car number as per numerology that everyone can use?
Many people, they'll just keep buying 555 or 6666. That's not how it works. We have to see your MH12, like the DL, different states have their number. We have to see the corresponding alphabets. We have to check right now series kya chal rahi hai RTO mein, and then we decide on the last 4 digit. Here I would like to remind you of a very recent case in Haryana. Some guy bought a very expensive number, HR 888888, so many 8s in that, and he bought it very expensive online. He couldn't pay for it on time, and he bought so many 8s in that number that right now I think the whole police department is after him, income tax department is after him, and he's come in real deep problem. So just don't go by any numbers, anything like that. We have to calculate, is that 888 suiting with your HR of Haryana?
Okay. Because the numbers are not in isolation. There are letters, alphabets.
Letters
in
and
front of that.
alphabets have to be checked every time. So right now, all your cars, all your scooters, just stick a 24 number. And I always recommend Hanuman ji on all vehicles because he's Pavan Putra Hanuman. So you should always have him. He protects us from accidents and bad things. So car mein to Hanuman ji, I always, any vehicle, if you have a truck, you have a plane, you have a yacht, make sure there is a 24 number on it and Hanuman ji.
You know, these days people are putting Shivji ka Adi Yogi, if you notice. Is
So
that okay?
now here again, I'm a very big Shiv Bhakt. I love Shivji. Varanasi is my soul town. I can go and just sleep on the Ganges over there. I love him so much. But Shivji is not interested. Shivji wants the Himalayas. He wants meditation. He wants to be at peace. Shivratri is the only night you will see so much Shiv temples full. You go to any Shiv temple, you will not see too many people.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
And Shivji ka temple, however beautiful you make it, however rich you spend on it, it becomes a khandar. There will be leaves lying over there, cleanliness not done, shanti, ekant. He likes that. So I don't like bringing him in our day-to-day activities. He doesn't like it. He wants to be alone. So everybody keeping that Adi Yoga, or in the Shivling also, I'm not a priest and I have not so much knowledge, but whatever knowledge I have, I feel Shivji should be left alone. If you want Shivji, keep him with a family picture of Shivji, Parvati and Ganesha. That you can keep in your house. Try avoiding a Shivling and try avoiding keeping him in the cars and all that. He doesn't like this world. He likes his own meditative, that masti mein.
What is the lucky mobile number that everyone can have?
वैसे तो we all have different birth dates and there are many numbers, but my personal favorites for numbers 1, 2, 4 and 7, if your date of birth is 1, 2, 4 and 7, are 19, 37 and 46. Then for the family of 3, 6, 9, I like to give 24, 33, 42. 5 is a joker card. इनको सब चल जाता है. All numbers चल जाते हैं. All of us also can use 1. All of us, as I said, see, these are all things which you have to experience on yourself, what is suiting you. Now, make sure your mobile number, along with having a total of these numbers, try to put in 1, 3, 5, 6, which are the most materialistic numbers. So your 10 digits should have 1, 3, 5, 6 at least, one of each. And then I don't like repetition. 6, 6, 7, 10 times 8s, all these things repeat. No, why repeat? There are 9 planets. We need little of every planet. So too many repetitions are not good. So
Because people do that for the sake of ease, yaad ho jaye jaldi
yes,
se.
वो नहीं करना है. Then if you do 1, 1, 1, 1, then you have only the sun का ruling ना. So that's why I tell everybody, make sure 1, 3, 5, 6 आपके मोबाइल में हो. तो ये materialistic numbers के नंबर आपके मोबाइल में आ जाते हैं. So also bank account numbers. Bank account numbers and mobile numbers are so important. So important, because all full day our hand we have our mobile. Every small thing we are doing on the mobile, even banking. So money is also stuck over there only. Our all money matters. Everything is on the mobile. So you have to have a lucky mobile number. You have to have a lucky bank account number. You have to have a lucky car number.
Okay. So, just to complete the conversation on the mobile number, the total of the number should also come to 5, 6 or 1?
No, it should come to 19, 37, 46, 24, 33, 42.
Let's come to number 5s and number 6. How will 2026 be for number 5 and 6?
All those born on 5th, 14th or 23rd are number 5s. So are Geminis and Virgos. इनको भी 5 rule करता है. See, 5s are one of the best numbers because they know how to get out of any situation. But Mercury, being the closest to the sun, gets the sun ka heat very quickly. So it melts. So ज़्यादा heat हो जाती है, then once the mercury is melted, it can't do anything. But then once again it revives and the ball is formed in such a way that you can't even know that there was a crack in this. Break a mercury into 1,000 pieces, it all comes back and they look same. They have got those healthy qualities. So health-wise, number 5, don't have to worry. They will have a good year where health is concerned. थोड़ा सा sadness, depression इनको पकड़ सकता है if they are not able to do what they want to do. So they have to make sure that they're traveling, having a good time. See, there are numbers like 3, 1, they can work hard a lot. मगर ये 5 वालों को बीच बीच में छुट्टी चाहिए. 2 घंटा काम, 2 घंटा छुट्टी. So they have to enjoy themselves, then they will have a better year. But if they go too much, only work, then they get depressed, easily upset, sad and all that. Baki, it's a good year for them. In general, whether it is health, it is business, everything seems good for a number 5. So they live up to this expectation of 4 दिन की चांदनी एक अंधेरी रात. So what they do is enjoy their life to the fullest. That अंधेरी रात also they manage. So 5 number के लोग this year can do pretty well. Especially tourism industry mein, if they are mostly in ticketing, they'll be either selling tickets or something where there's always movement. Plane tickets, travel and tourism, they do very good in adventure sports. ये सब लोग जो हैं, they will do well. All those who are into UPIs and GPays and working in such companies like Airbnb, travel companies, all these number fives are going to do extremely well, and they will start their own business also. As far as I can see, these guys also are just waiting to have a startup of their own. They should wear a lot of light colors. Only dark color they can wear is green and blue. They should wear a stone called emerald, the green emerald. Diamonds too are good for them, but I personally don't like diamonds because hardworking people should not wear too many diamonds if you want to go to work. It is for the luxury. It's a luxury thing, where you become lazy sometimes. At least I feel that. So I don't wear too many diamonds unless I have to go somewhere for a wedding or something. Then I wear my diamonds. Otherwise, wear less diamonds because sometimes it makes you lazy. Not always.
Okay. Anything that number fives should be cautious of?
They should be cautious of their craving for too many relationships, looking from here to there for love and satisfaction. They need multiple partners. They think other people can give them, which they don't understand that they only have it and they have to give themselves and give others also. And they have to be very cautious of their attraction to fast money. As a number five, any investments you do, make sure it's in safe places, not fast, quick money.
Okay. One Vastu tip for number five.
Number fives should spend most of their time in office or at home facing the north or sitting in the north corner of your house. That will help them, sitting in the north.
How will 2026 be for number six?
6, 15, 24. Yeah, if you're a Tauran or a Libra, then you're a number 6. Now, everybody knows I talk a lot of good things about number 6. But kya karu? Madhuri Dixit is number 6. Alia Bhatt is a number 6. Main kya karu? Sachin Tendulkar is a number 6. Neerav Chopra is a number 6. So they are all over the place and we see how good they are doing. But is saal, I will not say so many good things for a number 6. So this year, number 6 is, I have different things to say for you. Not all goody, not all rosy. Have to work hard, which you're not used to. Have to listen to your parents, which you're not used to. Have to cut down your expenses, which you're not used to. So this is going to be a year when you have to do many things which you're not used to, but this year is going to make you very wise. So by listening to your parents and giving up a few clothes which you want but you can't buy will make you very much mature as well as wise. So that is what you're going to take out from this year. Health wise, number 6s can have some blood related issues. So just be cautious. Once we know ye ho sakta hai, to we can be cautious about it. Career wise also, they will have a little slow run compared to always. They're just used to just going there and getting the job, going there, passing the interview. They are used to that kind of a lavish lifestyle. But ये साल थोड़ा कहीं उनको लगेगा कि things are not working as per as I'm used to it. Sun is not an enemy for anybody. But as I told you, it's a father figure. So it teaches those children lessons जिनको सीखने की ज़रूरत है. So this year, number 6 is, you will be required physically to take care of your ailing relatives, an ailing dog. Yeah, आपसे social service will be expected. So be prepared for that. Lucky colors for you are always blue. That is why we tell everybody blue, and double it up with white. Stones for you generally are diamonds. Magar I recommend an opal, which is a substitute of a diamond. This year you have to be cautious about falling in love with the wrong person. और वो शायद तुम लोग बहुत बार कर चुके हो. So this year be ultra careful.
So can they get married, have children, and
Next year I would recommend all these things.
Okay.
2027 will be a much better year for them than 2026. Tip for number 6 is instead of showing the world your branded clothes, I want you to show them your inner beauty. So concentrate on polishing yourself. Now, while buying a house, also make sure it is either 1356. Vastu has to be proper. I am a firm believer of Vastu. In fact, we are doing a lot of Vastu also, and I'll be giving you nice tips also here about Vastu. So number ones or any other number, whoever is on the verge of buying a house should look at the Vastu along with the number. This year, real estate may see a correction. there is a lot of production I heard, and the demand is less. So could be real estate will not have a very big jump upwards, but land prices will increase. So everybody looking for land, they
Like a
will have
plot.
plot, yes. So if you're buying an open land, you may have to fish out a little more money, but houses could be a little bit affordable this year. So everybody should try to buy it then.
Okay. What to watch out for when buying a property?
First of all, the number, and very important, Vastu. I believe a lot. So you nicely coined this word numero vastu. I like it.
आगे आप यूज करोगे तो मुझे क्रेडिट देना.
Yes. Numero vastu by Shloka. So this numero vastu thing really works. All my houses are on 6 number. I have broken so many toilets. Even till today, I'm doing Vastu tips. Even today, after my house is 20 years old, I'm still making Vastu changes wherever I come to know. So, one thing I recently did, and it really helped me. See, whenever you hear me saying something, it is not because I've heard it somewhere. It is because I've experienced it on myself. Without that, I cannot just pick up a tip from here and give it to you.
Correct.
So, I have kept 2 little silver fish in the northeast corner of my house, and I'm feeling good. I've always felt good, but I'm feeling good. So northeast में मच्छी रखो. You can afford 100 rupees का or 10,000 rupees का. It's your budget. Keep silver is also become very expensive now. At least 2. Don't keep anything singular. Never keep anything singular.
So people keep wind chimes and all. They should be 2 wind chimes.
नहीं उसके अंदर बहुत सारे होते हैं ना.
अच्छा,
So that way it is okay. But you're keeping a lone man, a lady alone in some picture.
Okay.
Guys are making tattoo of, or girls are making tattoo of alone lady.
Yeah.
वो सब नहीं करना चाहिए. Keep a partner. Keep 2 things together. So if it is butterfly, they should be 2. If I told you to keep fish in the northeast, it should be 2.
Coming to the generic predictions, please tell me how 2026 would be with regards to money, business, financial growth, and markets. You had predicted in 2023 that gold, oil, lithium, discovery, real estate, Sensex में turmoil होगा और उससे बच के रहो. And I think that proved accurate. You also suggested that the Indian stock markets and the global economies worldwide would plummet, and that is exactly what we saw.
Now this year also, I don't give full marks or any marks to stock market. We ourselves don't invest a single rupee in it. Again, I will say for investments, go to safe government bonds, though the interest rate is very bad. You don't make that kind of money. Or go for gold, as I said. Even if you can buy a little bit, at least that will fetch you some money after some times. Yeah, copper also. Otherwise, financially, it is a good year. Number 1 and finance go hand in hand. The financial markets will be much better than what they have been in the past few years. Government's new tax reforms may come, which can again hurt the poor man. तो वो थोड़ा हो सकता है. Tax reforms नए आएंगे. Financial institutions like banks and LICs and all these things will do much better.
What is the best sector to invest next year?
My first choice is gold, copper, and financial institutions which are safe. Don't go for anything quick money. That doesn't help anybody anyway, no. But quick money sectors don't touch. Bitcoins and this and that.
Cryptos.
अभी वही हुआ ना ये सब. These things are not for hardworking people. No, there are people who say, I want to park my money. That kind of people who have got money to go and park somewhere. We are working hard every day to, make some good money. We should not spend on such things. Because वो कभी भी कुछ भी डामाडोल हो सकता है. If you are smart enough, like now there are people who have told me they have made 5 crores in the past 10 years. But 10 years back, had you put that money in gold, you would have made better, no? It boils down to all that. There are some people who are lucky in cryptos and other things. But overall, this is a general public show, which I highly recommend. Don't go for these things.
People who are trading, should they be going for long-term or short-term trading?
Only long term. Only long term trading helps people. Short term is, see, I'm seeing clients every day, and 90% of them have lost in the share markets. 90% of them have lost. Yes, there are a few who say, no, मैं तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहा हूँ, मैंने अच्छा कमाया है.
In terms of money, financial growth, prosperity, is 2026 going to be a tough year or not?
No, it will be a much better year than the past 2 years. People are going to have a better year financially.
If they want to get into business, what sectors should they be looking at?
Every number has its own. This is the
Okay.
beautiful part of numerology. So I highly recommend, if you have small children at home, pehle you should get them Jumanified. Even people who are looking for new businesses. See, you must be seeing some restaurants are opening, closing every day.
Correct.
Some तो वो एक ही business, चश्मे की दुकान is running from 100 years. Haldiram's is running from 100 years. You know, Haldiram is
Yeah.
also our client, and they are selling the little parts of their business in crores of rupees. Maganlal Chikkiwala is our client. So Murlidhar Mohol, the youngest Union Cabinet Minister from Maharashtra, has visited me, and it feels so great to see कि हमारा client होकर उधर पहुंच गया है. So once you know your birth date, you know your destiny number, then we understand that okay, this person can go into politics, this person will be better off in arts, this person can have manufacturing unit, this person will be good in sales. You know, बहुत कुछ पता चल जाता है. Everybody wants to go abroad. Everybody doesn't succeed over there. Everybody wants to open a restaurant. Everybody wants to become an actor. पिक्चरें सबको बनानी है, but they all can't become that. Na? You have to have the numbers. You have to know the numbers.
What are the sectors from 1 to 9 that are most fitted to people who have different numbers? So maybe what is the sector that is best suitable for a number 1, number 2, number 3, etc.?
Two are better off doing their own stuff. Like Michael Jackson was a number 2, following his passion. I'm a number 2, following my passion. There was the Bejan Daruwala ji, following his passion. My father, 20 Jan, didn't do anything on earth except learn numerology, and then so much he did for the whole world. So number 2s should be in following their passion, what they like to do.
Number
Like my
3.
daughter, she's in dance.
Is she number 2?
Yeah, she's a number 2.
Okay. Number 3.
3 numbers, again, out and out business. Whether it is Warren Buffett or even Rajnikant or Sanjay. Aditya Dhar this year,
Oh yeah,
12th
Dhurandhar.
of March. 12th of March. So many movies he made. But this year, I had said at the beginning of the year, all 369 actresses will do well. All movies that are fight dishum oriented will do well. And it started with Chhawa, Kantara, now Dhurandhar.
2 love stories also did very well. Tere Ishq Mein and Sayyara.
And guess उनके पीछे कौन था?
Really?
Yes. So Tere Ishq Mein is a Jumanified title. Anand L. Rai sir is our client from many, many years. Mohit Suri met my brother, and then my brother made him Mohit D. Suri. Sayyara also, the name is Jumanified, Tere Ishq Mein. So 2 movies that are not fight based did well because they're Jumanified. See, Dhurandhar, Aditya Dhar is number 3, Ranveer Singh is a number 6, and the main hero of the movie, Akshay Khanna. He's a number 1, but a Aries. So he's a number 9. This year is number 9. They released Dhurandhar in the Sagittarian period. That is again fight. But Dhurandhar 2 will do much better than this.
Acha. And they released it, I think, on the 5th or something. No?
Yeah,
Some
5th of December.
Okay.
Sagittarian period.
I think your favorite topic,
Yeah.
Bollywood.
Yeah.
How is this year firstly going to be for Bollywood? Because last year we didn't see Bollywood do that well. In fact, the past couple of years we have seen Bollywood on a decline. We've seen the South industry on a rise. We've seen a lot of collaborations between the Bollywood and South industries that have done well, right? So, before I get into the actors, how is it going to be for Bollywood?
So before I tell you how it's going to be next year, let me tell you about the past year. I was the only one who said actors of 3, 6 and 9 are going to do great and action films are going to do great. And we saw 9 number Akshay Kumar give 500 crores business to the film industry. We saw Ranveer Singh, Aditya Dhar giving you Dhurandhar. Also, Akshay Khanna is an Aries, so he's also a number 9. So he's shown this year. Now, Priyanka Chopra comes out of USA and then she finally becomes the highest paid Indian actor. She's getting 30 crores for Varanasi. She's a number 9 and she's got this movie called Varanasi and she's going to be paid 30 crores. So suddenly a number 9 becomes the highest paid Indian actor.
Someone who was earlier boycotted from Bollywood now becomes the highest paid actress in
Yes,
Bollywood.
and she's a number 9. Tere Ishq Mein, no doubt, made good money, but Kriti Sanon has been appreciated mostly for that movie. Very rave reviews about her, and she's a number 9. So this was about 369 and fights about last year. Now coming to 2026. Now 2026 is going to be a mixed bag. No doubt Shah Rukh is my favorite, and The King, as the movie is called, is coming on a very good number. If you have seen him closely, the first shot you saw of him in the trailer was in blue and yellow. And then they throw the cards, playing cards. There is a number 7 of hearts and a number 7 of spades flashing. He knows his lucky number 7. That's why he likes Karan Johar so much. And the king too totals to number 7. He's coming with Suhana, who is a number 4. Again, good year for Suhana as well, good year for Shah Rukh as well. But I want to place my money on Ramayan. Ranbir Kapoor is a number 1, and this year is number 1, and Ramayan is going to make a lot of money. Also, look out for O Romeo because Shahid Kapoor is in it, who is a number 7. Vishal Bharadwaj is a number 4. And as I said, this year is lucky for 1, 2, 4, 7. Look out for Jumanified Rajkumar Rao also. I don't know which movie of his is coming, but he'll do something. So will Kartik Aryan.
So Bollywood will be better performing this year.
Yes, much better than last few years. Bollywood this year will give you better movies. There will be some very small budget movies also that will just come out and shine.
Like Sayyara.
Something like that, yes.
Okay. Which of the young actor crop do you see emerging as a star? So I'm going to take some names. There is Ahan Pandey. There is Agastya Nanda. The movie Ikkis is coming. He's done Archies. Then, of course, you have Vedang Raina. You have the younger ones, the females. You have Khushi Kapoor. You have Suhana.
Seher Bamba.
Seher Bamba. And if there's someone else. So tell us about their future.
If we talk about 2026, look out for Agastya Nanda, not only this year, but every year. Because he's not only born on number 5, which is very good, he's also a number 9 and he's a Sagittarian. So, fight movies mein he will do extremely well, which is a fight movie, Ikkis.
Correct.
That is also coming on a decent number. So, Agastya Nanda is going to be that action-packed hero, while Ahan Pandya will be your chocolate boy next door. Both will do quite good.
Okay.
Jumani fight Tripti Dimri and Jumani fight Seher Bamba. Look out for these two also.
2026 is going to be better for small businesses or big businesses?
Both big businesses are going to expand. Small businesses also will help. And here, where money is concerned, I tell everybody, please make Tirupati Balaji your partner. Once he is our partner, he knows how to handle money better than us. So handling money becomes easier. If you have a shop or anything, even in your cupboard, you can keep small Lakshmi ji ka picture, Ganpati ji ka picture, keep Balaji ka picture, keep a 24 written on a piece of paper. Keep this all in your cash box. If you have a shop, keep it inside your cash box. If you're working, you have a tijori, keep it over there. In all workplaces where there is a flow of money, keep all these 2-3 things. It will really help you.
Any other Tijori personal safe tips that you can give me? I'll tell you where I'm coming from. When I hadn't even met you, I saw this video of yours where you said ki Kuberji ya kiski photo rakho, and I took that printout.
So since we are talking about money, I'll tell you my favorite things what I do. Small picture of Balaji, Lakshmi, Ganesha. You can also have a Kuberji ka yantra. Small 24 number written on a piece of paper. A small amethyst stone. Keep this all in your safety box. Now, whether you have a tijori or a cash counter, if you have a shop, keep it in your cash counter. You can even keep all these things wherever you're keeping your money and things and important documents, ghar ke papers, all wherever we keep over there. And all these things, you should either keep it in the southwest corner of your house or the west corner also will do.
Great, great. Any purse or wallet tips that you can give?
Yes, never have a green or a black purse. Brown will do, blue will do, tan color will do, and have a closing one. Many people have just open, don't keep it exposed. Many people have a plastic, andar ka sab dikh raha hai type of a thing. No, it should be closed. Always put a 24 number inside your wallet. I have tried this every time I go abroad. I make sure, वैसे रोज याद रहे या नहीं रहे, लेकिन with my dollars I हमेशा keep and go 24 so that I spend less. And you spend less and you enjoy life. I don't restrain myself. Now I'm turning 60. I've never restrained myself from doing anything, whether it is eating or enjoying life. I don't restrain myself now also. I have a good holiday. But finally I bring back some dollars. So I feel that 24 helps.
Okay. Which personal sectors look strong in 2026? Manufacturing, food, wellness, tech, online businesses, or personal branding?
You have given the answer only. All these are going to do well, whether it is AI, food, I already told you, Zomato is going to make more money. Cloud kitchens are going to open all over the place. they are going to be in demand.
Because of
Food
the fire
industry,
sign.
yeah.
Okay.
Food industry. I told you harvest is going to be good. So apne aap exports will be good. We may make more money by exporting the surplus harvest. Also manufacturing ke liye very good year. Other industries to do well. Hydrogen. Hydrogen, wherever hydrogen is used, these industries are going to do very well. So, S for sun, S for solar. So, solar industries are going to do well. Hydrogen, wherever hydrogen is used, that is going to do well. Any factories, machinery, where there is a lot of fire coming out, जो पुराने ज़माने में पिक्चर दिखाते थे ऐसे, it's emitting smoke. So every industry where there is a fire, a lot of fire used or machinery used, they are all going to do well. Manufacturing is going to be at the top.
Give us some name usage tips.
First of all, I don't like to keep children's name on Sita, Parvati, Ram. Now I know people will oppose कि क्यों हम राम जी का नाम नहीं रखें. But Ram ji was God. He had the power to go to the Banwas for 14 years. Sita had the power to live without her husband, go inside the Dharti Mata and give Agni Pariksha. All that we don't want our children to go through. So I recommend na Deepak naam rakho, na Jyoti rakho, or don't keep Parvati Mata ke naam and Sita Maiya ke naam. Because we see Parvati Mata, no doubt she's the mother, she's everything. But the life that she had, we can't do it. No, we don't want it for our children. Also, don't name. My husband is M. He's already with M. But अभी जो new आप company launch करोगे, or you're going to keep your baby's name, avoid alphabets starting with P, F, M, T, D. And all of you who are already with this name will change your spelling. जैसे मेरा पूना was Pune, but it became Pune, and you know where it has reached now. So we can change it, but while a new baby is kept or a new company is kept, we avoid it.
Okay. So let's talk about numbers 7, 8, and 9. How is it going to be in 2026?
7, 16, and 25. These guys are going to have a field year because 1 is their best number. 7 has to have one number always, whether it is in your mobile number, car number, either udhar one number बहुत सारा use करो. For number 7 is going to be a very good year. Generally, these guys are spiritual, quiet, they take a back seat. They're not go-getter types. They want things in life, लेकिन they will not like fight for some things, or they will not be there all over the place to go and achieve their dreams. वो type के लोग होते हैं ना जो focus करते हैं goals and they want to do. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They are a little bit laid back. This year will make them come out of their shell. And you will see more of number 7s all over the place, trying to do good things, trying to come out in the limelight. They can get awards, rewards. In short, it's a good year. If you're planning to get married, अच्छा साल है, बच्चा चाहिए, अच्छा साल है, properties के लिए अच्छा साल है. In general, it's a very good year. But one thing we tell them every single time, थोड़ा exercise and meditation. Both are very important, interlinked. You cannot just sit down and meditate. Your body also has to move, especially for number 7. You have to have a balance of these two things. Because जब तक their body is not moving and physically they are not getting tired, then their mind cannot rest. They overthink a lot. So physically thakna very zaruri for them. Career wise, they will see a very good boom. They may do something out of the box. पूरा career change हो सकता है. If they are doing X, they may end up doing Y. So total career change. They may leave their, like a snake sheds its old clothes. You will see a new number 7 this year. So it's a good year for them. And you should make use of all these things that I'm saying. नहीं तो फायदा नहीं है सुन के.
Okay.
Health may I always warn them only of their mental overthinking. See, all the trauma that a number 7 is facing, or most of us also, are within us. But number 7s उसको ना बहुत बड़ा बना देते हैं by overthinking. So they have to control that. At any cost, they will have a beautiful life. Service industry is always good for a number 7. Internet, all the things connected to digital, they are very brainy. They don't show it, but brain अच्छा है उनका. They should use that. योगा मेडिटेशन ये फील्ड्स में बहुत अच्छे हैं, अच्छे शेफ्स हैं, अच्छे टीचर्स हैं. They are very good teachers also. So wherever they are providing some service to mankind, they'll do very good.
One tip for number 7s for 26.
One tip for number 7 is kill the bhoot within you. You have to work on yourself this year. This is the best time. These 2 years are very good for number 7. So they have to work on themselves to make sure that they are removing all the filth, because the filth is always inside their mind. They can never think good thoughts. It's so sad. So kill that old person within you and just let go and live a happy-go-lucky life. Number 7s should always have a scented candle. dim lights, good mantra going on. Some of them even listen to the Buddhist mantras. You listen to Buddhist, you listen to any mantras, but go in that zone once a day. Be very careful where they are eating. Number seven's का digestion system is very weak,
Like 5.
like almost like five. इनका और भी खराब है. Yeah. So they should be very careful what they put in their mouth. Number seven should always wear a cat's eye, please. This will save you. This will keep you so happy, elated, and wear light colors. They cannot wear dark colors. They love dark colors. They love light colors. They like both, but they should always try to be wearing only light colors.
I've heard that for number 8's, number 1 is not a good year. Is that true?
According to Indian astrology, Sun is the father of Shani, and they had a panga between themselves, and Sun hated him, and supposedly Shani finds him very arrogant. He doesn't like his father. Whatever the stories are, it's all mythology, and we also know that. But now, common sense, you tell me, how much can a father hate the child, and how much can the child hate the father? उसका भी एक लिमिट है, you know. So it's a wrong thing. According to numerology, for number 8, it is going to be an amazing year. So all you guys who are believing this funda of 8 and 1 not doing together, believe me now and see that for and make sure that you prove me right. This year is going to be amazing for number 8 people.
Okay. How will 26 be for number 8's?
सब लोग कहेंगे कि 8 और 1 का नहीं बनता है, लेकिन मैं आपको कहूँगी नंबर 8 आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा साल है. सो इफ़ यू आर बॉर्न ऑन अ 8, 17 और 26, या आप केप्रिकॉन या एक्वेरियन हैं, सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी गुड ईयर फॉर यू. You will buy properties, you can get married, you will make a lot of wealth if you're in your own business, especially related to big industries, mining, real estate. Yeah, you know, most of these number 8s are road builders, contractors with governments, you know, making the railway tracks or the roads and rivers. You all will do very well. मनी इस साल आपके पास इतना आएगा कि आपको रखने की जगह नहीं होगी. हमें बता देना, हम विल हेल्प यू कीप इट. So a lot of money is coming your way, number 8. It is going to be an amazing year for you. As usual, work hard. इनको work hard से कुछ नहीं होता है. They are very hard working. Be careful, cautious. Now the cautious thing you have to be is people around you. और वो ये साल के लिए नहीं है, हमेशा के लिए. The maximum people who are duped or fooled are number 8s by the people around them. So धोखे आपके साथ ज़्यादा होते हैं. Be very careful this year. Wear light colors. Wear a lot of yellow, white, blue, and even purple is very good for you. So all number 8s, I want you to wear amethyst and Hanuman ji attached to that. वो आप गले में डाल सकते हो. It will really help you. Number 8 should always have female power support with them. They should make their mother, sister, daughter, some female from their family a partner with them. It will really help them. Number 8 should generally try to sit in the southwest corner of the house, especially if they are thinking or they want to write something. They will be very comfortable sitting in the southwest corner and doing their routines sitting over there. Number 8s, number 4s, and all of us, लेकिन number 8s and numbers 4s should always have a हनुमान जी in their pocket. फिर हनुमान चालीसा रखिए, हनुमान जी की फोटो रखिए, या as I said, amethyst and हनुमान जी attached together, locket you can wear. All these things are going to help you.
How will 26 be for number 9's?
Now 9, see numbers are starting with number 1, fire and fire. So आप देखो fire की कितनी ज़रूरत है. So fire is everywhere. Without fire we can't do anything. So 9 and 1 are not a happening combination. Because 1 either है तो 9 either है. There's a lot of gap. So this year will not be very good for you, but you have specific months जिसमें आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं. March, April, May will be very good for you. October, November, December आपके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. तो आधा साल तो है आपके साथ. So make the best of your important jobs in those. Plan ऐसे करो कि you go in those months and do your important jobs. बाकी के दिन सोना नहीं है, which you don't do. You're a disciplined person. So बाकी के दिन live your life the way you were living till today, wearing a lot of white and blue colors. This brings peace of mind and calmness to you. Fiery number हो, anger issues आपके साथ ज़्यादा होते हैं. This year be very careful because you're fire and the sun is also fire. तो डबल धमाका हमको नहीं चाहिए. So make sure you're exercising regularly. Exercise से अपने आप anger काम हो ही जाता है. I want you to be very careful with your relations. क्योंकि as it is your move hut, abrupt, you don't think and talk, फिर घर में गड़बड़ करोगे. बाहर के लफड़े सॉल्व करना is easy, but if your children and your wife and mother are angry with you, then you can't patao them. So the caution for you this year is only your relationships. Be very careful of them, guard them, protect them, keep them close to your heart. Blue and white, इनके लिए खास करके I say what you're wearing today, pretty sari. Gems are supposed to be a red coral for you, but again I say keep it with you. Any stones, हमें 10-15 दिन रखना है. We have to see whether it is suiting us or not suiting us. Career, you have to continue doing what you're doing. As I said, nothing great happening, but yes, you will manage. You are a strong person. 9 other actually very strong people. So you will manage very well. Especially if you're in securities and if you're taking care of your companies, you're the big boss in your company. Any job with a lot of responsibility, आप बहुत अच्छा निभाएंगे. So join the gym if you're a number 9 and still not going to the gym or a Zumba class, or if you're not cooking, do things that keep you, physically all the time active.
We'll come to a remedies rapid fire round. What are some of the numerological remedies that everyone should do in 26?
First of all, pray to the rising sun. Say any Surya mantra that you know.
Give us one Surya mantra.
I say Jai Shri Adityaya Namah. There is Jai Suryaya Namah. There is Gayatri mantra. बड़े छोटे बहुत sizes में हैं. So whatever makes you happy, do that. Control your temper, because number 1 year है, you can have a lot of temper. Control your ego. This year can make all of us very egoistic. So control it. Leadership is the most beautiful thing of a number 1. And who is a good leader? A leader who will take his team along. So concentrate on teamwork this year. Not only कि मैं अपना ही देखूं और मैं अपना ही पैसे के बारे में सोचूं. You have to think of your team. So as I said, मेरा तो favorite 24 है. मैं ये साल भी 24 लिखूंगी. But you all can try 19, 37 or 46. Whatever suits you. Wear light colors. Wear yellow, oranges, copper. Wear blue. वो तो evergreen है. Also, all of us should try to wear a ruby. Try for 15-20 days. If it suits you, well and good.
If someone has an unlucky date of birth, they want to change the name, but they do not want to go through the rigmarole of, changing, making an affidavit, changing all their documents. So what is the solution?
See, in our numerology, there are only solutions. First of all, you come to know your characteristics just by your date of birth. Because of your characteristics, you come to know कि मेरे लिए कौन सी field अच्छी है. Okay, I'm this kind of a person. Will I be able to do that? Your health problems, your lucky numbers, your lucky colors, your lucky stones, your lucky mobile numbers, your lucky bank account numbers, your lucky locker numbers. The partner you should marry if you're not married. If you're married, to nibao. So many things are given in a report, even if you don't want to change your name and your signature. Everybody is doing it. But there are a few who are hesitant, or if you're living in a foreign country, there too you cannot go and change your name. So if you're in a country waiting for your PR or your green card, then you can't go and change your name. So for such people, we have only report package in which they get to see all these things, they get their lucky things and they start applying it.
What are some of the tips to keep in mind when launching a company?
As I said, this year many people are going to launch their own firms and many people are wanting it. First thing, do not start with alphabets PFMTD. Any company name. Other alphabets, आप कोई भी start कर सकते हो, and then you have to, of course, get it rectified. You just can't keep any name when you're living in the world of numerology. The name of your company should be good, like Shloka did it for Body to Being. We have rectified. ऐसे rectify it, grow. Did you see in recent, did you read about it? GROWW. It's an IPO company spelled by us, and the youngest chap to become a billionaire just added one W in his grow, done by us. So name should come on a good vibration. The company name should always go upward, like Sayara. Sayara did it like this. So we
On your suggestion?
Yes. And it has to go upward like this. Name your company on a good number. Take a lady partner of your house, whether it's your mother, sister, or anybody. If once a woman figure is there, the real Lakshmi of the house is also involved in that property or that business, it flourishes even more.
Acha, always?
Yes, always it's a rule. Take your wife, daughter, mother, somebody, तो और भी अच्छा होता है.
Acha, so always have property with a woman, jointly with a woman.
If she's your wife or mother, or if you're starting a business, take her as a partner. Because see, ultimately, Lakshmi ji is a woman, Saraswati is a woman, Annapurna is a woman, Dharti Mata is a woman. So everything that we require around us is
It's coming from Shakti.
From Shakti.
Okay.
So that will help.
What are some of the remedies for people who are either sick or who keep falling sick very often?
See, you have to then check your ghar ka vastu, where you're going wrong. That is why somebody is falling sick. Secondly, keep that patient sleeping on a bed which is head south, feet north. Play Dhanvantri Bhagwan ka mantra. Keep a 24 number by his bedside. Make that person wear a cat-sized stone, which is a very healing stone and can make him all right. If they are in such a position that they can't wear it, then just keep the stone below their bed. Keep a Dhanvantri Bhagwan ka picture also near them. Their clothes should always be white and little bit of blue should always be there on their body. Also play Hanuman Chalisa near a sick person.
What are some of the numero vastu remedies for students?
For students, first of all, sit facing east or north while studying. Always have a Saraswati Mata ka little statue next to you. During your exams, quietly write a 24 number in between the answer which the teacher does not see. You will do good marks.
Which careers will see a boom in 26?
Panditjis are going to have a field year. There will be a lot of pujas happening in every house. Mandirs are already full, but puja yadna, people will go into spirituality too much. Though it is a financial year, but lots of people are going to go more and more deeper into spirituality. People will join more and more classes to learn. It's a year where people will thrive for knowledge. So coaching classes will do well. Teachers teaching maybe cooking or Spanish or anything. People teaching something or the other, the teachers will do well. Coaches will do well. Lifestyle coaches will do well. Farming industry, I told you, will do well. Anything coming out of the earth, that also industry will do well.
What are some of the dates where we should avoid traveling?
Always 4s, 8s, 9s if possible. 9 उतना खराब नहीं है, but accident prone है. And Saturday also up to a certain extent.
Okay, so dates adding up to 8.
4, 8, 9
Okay.
and Saturdays. अगर avoid किए जाएं better है.
And people travel mostly on Saturdays.
Yeah, if it's a majburi, it's a good date, it's okay, you can.
Okay. So last year you had suggested that everyone listen to Hanuman Chalisa and we saw the results. Gulshan Kumar's Hanuman Chalisa, I believe, has reached 5 billion views. So this 2026, what mantra would you recommend?
First, I want some commission from T-Series. Then I will tell you. Okay, here I go. This year, listen to any of the Surya mantras, especially the Gayatri mantra. Gayatri mantra subah उठ के चला दो. So this year, guys, along with Hanuman Chalisa, we add Gayatri mantra.
So we continue listening to Hanuman.
Every day. Yes, yes. Hanuman Chalisa is forever.
Okay.
He's right here. He's Chiranjeevi.
Chiranjeevi. Correct, correct. Nirmanakaya. Haan.
Yeah, he has to be heard every day. People who know how to say it should say it.
Okay.
Otherwise, hear it at least. It's going to be very hot again, huh? Like last year. This year is also going to be hot, especially in central India. तो वो hot होता है, तो please make sure कि you are putting water to your plants, watering your house ka plants, watering outside plants, keeping some water for the birds, but not in our own balcony, our own terrace. You have to leave your compound wall. Go across the road, keep anywhere water. For stray animals, for birds, do these things because this year is going to be very... वैसे तो he feeds everybody. Even if we don't keep that water for that bird, God will make sure that bird gets his water from somewhere. But do this because it's going to be really hot this year. This year, people will drink a lot of water because they are going to be thirsty also. I think whiskey is going to be the highest selling. So, वैसे भी the scotch and whiskeys are doing very well every year. But this year, they will have a bumper sale.
Last time, the sports where the players wore the red jersey won. So this year, who is it going to be and which color?
Again, I'll take you behind first. थोड़ा सा reverse में जाते हैं. RCB, which could never win a trophy in spite of having the King Virat with them, won it for the first time because number 9 Mars is red and they were wearing red. And who came opposite them? Again, a team who has never been able to do anything, Preeti Zinta's King 11, wearing red. Here I would like to name Jitesh Sharma, a Jumanified cricketer who is in Virat Kohli's team right now. So थोड़ा श्रेय तो उसको भी मैं दूंगी कि एक Jumanified cricketer तो था उस team में. And finally the Reds won. Portugal, who was wearing red, again won the Euro Championship. And उनके opposite थी Spain, जिसने again red पहना था. So coming to 2026, I believe most of the teams who are wearing yellow, also the countries who have the colors of the sun in their flag or a sun in their flag or whose colors are orange, yellow, copper, these countries also will do something good.
Jumanis have completed 25 glorious years spreading this science, teaching this science. So, for the viewers who would seek consultation, is it just a one time thing that they consult you and their problems are fixed or their matters are fixed, or do they keep consulting you?
When you come to us, we make sure that we have taught you everything in the first meeting. 99.9 don't come back. Because we don't keep anything hidden. In the first meeting, we teach you everything. When do they come back? When they want to meet for their mother, sister, child, husband. They get more family members to us. That is the reason that is the time they require us. Now, after you went from Sanjay's office, you came to me for the company name. So he did your name, I did your company name. After that,
There was no personal consultation in
you
between.
didn't need us
Yeah.
because I've taught you what to do, when to do, how to do. There are 8 billion people in the world. We don't want the same person coming back and keeping on paying us. So in the first meet, we teach you everything. Follow it, and then you will not have time to go to any astrologer. By the grace of God, you will not have time to see a doctor also.
Lovely.
Except, like recently, a client came to me. She was in her 40s, 14 years, no baby. And I told her, Bhaiya, jao, aram se ye sab karo, whatever I've told you. Next year, you'll be back here with your baby. And within 18 months, she was there with her 8 months baby.
Okay.
So this is a miraculous science. And we have, 25 years, it looks like 25 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you, God.
ठीक है. So thank you so much, Ms. Shweta Jumani. As always, it's such a pleasure, and I love how you not just tackle questions but actually tell us कि आप ये भी पूछो, ये भी पूछो, ये भी पूछो ताकि सबसे ज़्यादा लोगों को फायदा
Yes.
हो. So you've been very, very generous with your offerings and with your tips. ठीक
Thank
है.
you for
Thank-
calling me again. God
Arey,
bless you.
thank you so much.
May your show do even more and more and more.
with your blessings. Thank you so much.
Reach 6 million soon.
Arey, thank you.
In case you'd like to be a part of our online and in-person yoga, diet and spiritual programs, you can join our WhatsApp group below where we post all our upcoming programs and give free tips on health, diet and lifestyle.